Okay, this is how you make prescriptions for the last 6 weeks of class. You hit the patient RX button and you hit new. It's going to ask you if you want to copy a new patient. You're just going to say no. So, last name, I'm going to put Vogel, first name Jacob, and my middle name is Danger. I am a male, and let's go with I'm senior. I'm going to put in my address, 1000 Main Street, Findlay, Ohio. Zip codes 45840. So there's my zip code. Next, I'm going to set my date of birth as 11/11/90. Feel free to send me a birthday card or something. But yeah, so I would hit save, but that's wrong. My middle name's wrong. I need to change it from Danger to my lab position and my lab time. So remember, I am lab 3, position 4. So that's my middle name, is lab 3, position 4. For every patient, it's going to be your lab and your position. Get to this screen after you hit save, and you're going to hit new RX. So here it brings you to a data entry form. You're going to take the drug prescribed, you're going to hit that little button there. You're going to hit find, and it's already pulled over because I had that pulled over from last time I did it. And I'm just going to choose any drug I want. Let's say I'm going to do the lip balm again. I'm going to hit the prescriber button and come over and choose anyone. As you can see, our prescribers have weird names, but let's choose sore throat. Quantity prescribed, let's say 1 tube. Refills, we'll put 0. Now on these SIG codes, make sure you put them in correctly. So I'm going to put 1 space BID, which should come up as 1 twice a day, but it doesn't because our computer system's a little weird. If I do 1 space QD, it'll say 1 each day. Just make sure there's enough information there so the patient understands how to take it. For example, this would be a horrible SIG because it's 1 each day. I come over here to the dispensed window and change the lot number to my last name, first initial, at today's date. So today is January 10th. So 0110. Then I hit make log. It's going to ask me if everything's correct, and it wants to know how many I want to make, and I'm going to put 1. This is just like making a log that you've been doing all semester. But you skip the find drug part. It just takes you straight to here. Again, I'm going to change my lot number to my last name, first initial, at today's date. Okay, I can add percent error. Let's do 10%, and then I just hit save. I'm going to do the same thing, hit yes. My printers are already set up, so I'm going to hit OK. And then I don't do batch labels, so I hit cancel. This brings me back to where we were entering the prescription information, right here. So you just go back to prescribed and you hit save. Enter the day supply. Let's do 30. Hit OK. And then it's going to ask you if everything's correct. You hit yes. You always print out your RX label as RX style 1 because that's how you set up the printer. So just hit that. It'll take you to the printer. You hit OK. And then for the next thing is like a receipt, you just hit cancel. Now it's going to ask a claim. You just hit no. So that's it. It'll ship it out your printer. If you make a mistake, you can double click right there and you can print out your worksheet. You can print out another label. You can edit it. If you have trouble on this screen, it's a little complicated, ask me or one of the other TAs, and we'll be happy to help you.